Mathomo ma University ma muingi no meguthi na mbere na gutherara thutha wa Arutani a thukuru-ini ici kuhitukira kiama kia UASU kwiruma kinina kuuga mugomo wao no guthii na mbere thengia itua ria igoti ati mugomo ucio ni mugaruki watho na kuheana mukana macoke wira muthenya wa ruciu.
The strike continues unabated. We respect the law and we want to challenge the ruling as per law established. And I want members of the public to know that this is a union that believes in the rule of law. So whatever we are going to do it as per the confines of the law.
Makiaria matongoretio ni mwandiki munene wa kiama kia UASU Constantine Wasonga, Arutani acio nimaugite matuite itua riu thutha wa guikia kura ya mawoni ma atongoria kiama-ini kiu na kuria othe maiguithanirie gucokia cira ucio riko uria watwaritwo igoti-ini ni kiama kia atongoria a Universirty.
We have 40 members. The 40 members have unanimously voted that UASU to appeal the court ruling of 16th March 2018. 2, that UASU is going to apply for stay of the orders issued on 16th March 2018.
Wasonga ni athire na mbere na kuuga kimwe gia itumi iria iracungiriria macokie cira ucio riko ni gukorwo igoti ritiaheanire mwerekera wigie hinda riria rigukorwo ho ria gutabania miario.
Employment and Labor Relations Code did not give a date when IPCCF was to table a counter offer. And we are worried that IPCCF can just come up with any offer to delay the negotiation process. So we want the court to give us a specific date. Is it conciliation or is it negotiation?
Igoti riraheanite mwerekera wa arimu acio gucoka irathi-ini guku rikihe thirikari thikũ 30 cia guthugunda uiguano ungi.
Solidarity forever.
Mugomo wa arimu aya wambĩrĩirie tarĩki 1 mweri-ini uyu thutha wa kiama kiu gukorwo kihete thirikari ihinda ria ciumia 2 iria yetetie niguo irore ngirimiti yao ya mwaka wa 2017 nginyagia 2021 kuria itakinyire kumacokeria. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjogu wa Wachira.